When was the last time you were surrounded by nature? When you were truly present? In a space that encourages you to be still without feeling guilty. A space that holds you while you rest, inviting you to release tension or sink into a bath with a glass of red, giving you a chance to pause and pay attention to the wildlife surrounding you. Not just a place to stay, but a sanctuary to return to yourself, leaving you feeling restored, ready to embark on the next journey with a calm mind and a renewed connection to yourself and nature.